What be how you can invest in? Let's figure out how to get access to stock exchanges, how stocks differ from a bond, and is it possible to buy grain on the stock exchange? It is already possible to sell land, thereby how to sell. It's like creating apartments with your own hands or renting them out and selling their. I had where to invest, and the grain is that the land can also be compressed, that you will know what. Such an exchange, why invest in it? But you need to turn first to popular investment tools. What is an exchange and a broker? Everything is just an exchange is a market. How? Vegetable, but instead of vegetables, it sells securities. The stock exchange keeps track of who bought how much of what has been sold, and how much of what is left for sale. Look to see that everything is sold by law, and no one deceives anyone. In each country usually has its own exchange, fortunately none. Often not one of the largest exchanges is the United States, which now reads the dollar. There is such a thing, there is also such a currency, Tether USDT. It is also called a dollar. Think about this broker. A company that receives all the necessary units for the exchange, complies with both the rules and pays for it. The tariff at its tariff you can start, the broker will pay, and at its tariff do not comply with its rules. A broker provides private investors with access to the stock exchange and takes a commission from them for this. Takes an investor commission, opens an account with a broker. You are an investor against a broker, you deposit an account. There the day, tell the broker the account is deposited on the day, tell the broker what in what amount for these. Money needs to be bought or sold on the stock exchange before people went to the stock exchange with their feet or called the broker to apply for a purchase or sale. But now everything happens via the internet. Leaving home to choose a suitable broker, the task is long and per day to get access to exchange through a special program, personal account in the browser and not an offer form. The smartphone of the most valuable paper in physical form no longer exists, only in electronic form, but there is. Some beige is a large wholesale base where securities are traded, get access directly to the exchange. It is difficult to need a broker only for coins, the last broker who has access to the exchange. Private investors buy and sell securities on the stock exchange through a broker. So you can buy on the stock exchange. We will run many different departments. They are called markets. On the market you can buy stocks, currency, Dracaena materials, even grain. In the first place, we are interested in the department where stocks are traded, the stock market. In addition to shares, you can buy bonds and NPFs there. Infotag become more thong as an investor now. Story about me, every tool they are wrong. Scary as it seems, and for the name, that's what to invest. Bonds to buy. To drench means to give you a rain. Company indebted, interest now chopping. Extreme War Aggregation Act, let's take a show off, you can earn extra money. Spade, the company wants to expand the production of production, it is through money, so everything